If you're new here, then hi, my name is Navya Jain. I'll be really happy if you take a moment and like, share and subscribe to my channel below. So today I'm going to do something very spooky and something fun for Halloween. So this is going to be a Halloween spooky makeup look. So this is going to be my first tutorial ever on YouTube. I have given one on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, here somewhere on the page screen you'll get my ID. So this is my first tutorial on YouTube, so enjoy it. And I thought why not, because Halloween is coming close, so I have decided a look for you guys. I'm gonna do it on my skin and I will show you what products I use. So let's get into the video. Before starting the makeup look, I'm gonna just tie my hair behind. That just becomes easy and no hair is falling on the face. That becomes easy. So guys, I'll start with moisturizing my face with this Victoria's Secret face moisturizer. Of course, moisturizer is for face. So I'm So now I put my moisturizer and I put my primer. So I use the NYB primer. Just 3 to 4. It went in my mouth. I कुछ ज़्यादा ही आ गया. I just dab 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 dab. हाँ, so I was saying कि in the morning only today I did my sister and her friend's makeup. They had a Halloween party with her friend's house. I was doing her makeup. I'll put pictures over here of them. It was too good. Like, I tried cut crease for the first time and it turned out to be too good. I was like, okay, even I can do one cut crease for myself. So yeah, that now I'm gonna put concealer. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade. Wow, the shade is not written. The shade is not written. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to use it. I just blend my concealer. Now we'll move to foundation. So I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade 30. Using the Huda Beauty foundation. This I've been using since the lockdown started and it works like too good. I've just started using this. Again, I'm going to first just put it all over my face and then it becomes easy. After that I'll do my eyes, because after that there's gonna be a lot of fallout because it is black, right? So black se zyada fallout then I'll just after that I can remove it with the powder. Or I was thinking of doing blush, concealer, contour and then do my eyes, but then I just made my mind. Make up your mind, babe. So I thought of putting powder first under my eyes and then go to eyes, because I just told you the reason. So I'm going to use the Chanel powder in the shade 110. This is the professional loose powder from Chanel, so I'm just using that. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm so lost. I'm going to use this beauty blender, and I've just removed it and under my so now I am going to first do my crease. So for my crease I am going to use the Huda Beauty professional makeup palette. Fortune Favors the Brave shade. So this palette means I'm going to use the lightest shade of brown, that is this shade. So yeah, so I'm using this just to on my crease so that it from the same palette, this brown color, I'm going to use a very little bit of it because this palette gives a lot of pigment. So I'm just going to take how much you also see. This much. It's not even seeing. Just to crease, to crease. What did I just say? I'm now I am scared because now it's the time for cut crease. So I am going to take again my concealer. I'm going to remove some on my hand. I'm scary AF. I'm doing this for the first time on myself. I first have told them more than 100 times in this video, but yeah, I'm gonna do it for this first time. One more time I'm telling you because I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or no. I can't find my mirror all the time. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I've taken out concealer on my hand. So that I've taken out, and now I'm going to only go into my inner eye and I'm going to blend it with eyeshadow. Okay, I hope you understand. And then I'm going to put shimmer over here. You see, I'm going to explain while I'm doing it also. So what I've learned on YouTube is you put one stroke of concealer on your eye and you do look up, and then it just gives you the crease ka mark. So udhar tak you have to do. That I'm going to do because I don't know how to do it. I'm sorry if my face is getting hidden because I'm going to do this to see my face. So see, I got the crease ka part. I've done this. It is looking so pretty. I will show you guys pictures. It's just in one line, like wow. ठीक है, मैं और कुछ करने नहीं वाली क्योंकि वो भी बिगड़ जाएगा. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, what I told you guys, is I'm going to put black eyeshadow. Okay, so for the black eyeshadow, first I'm going to let me put this. So for what I'm going to do in the black eyeshadow is I'm going to take my flat brush, this wala brush, and I'm going of course in the black, this color, going to take a bit of it, didn't even come, yeah, and done with both my eyes and I'm really very happy with the end result. So now I'm going to set up this powder and then I will do my rest of the eye. My real plan was that I'm going to only on one eye, which is this eye, I'm going to do a triangle over here and a triangle over here from liner. So I'm going to use uske pehle I'm going to I'm going to put lip balm because my lips have got dried. This lip balm I'm using is from Flicka. It's very good. It's a tinted lip balm, but this tint doesn't suit me, but the lip balm ka texture is very good. So I use this. So now I was showing you that I'm going to go first. I'm going to put on my first eye over here, my niche ka part. Fingers crossed. I am very scared. For God's sake, guys, please pray for me that मेरा अच्छा हो जाए और तुम लोगों को अच्छा end result मिले. So this is the liquid Lakme liner I am using. This is the Insta liner, water resistant liner I'm using, so that it comes off easily and I don't want to ghassify it and ghassify. So I'm doing it a very light. So this triangle is luckily done, neat and clean. I know this is not done, but yeah, I'm gonna do the finishing and I'm going to do one more over here. Over here, ऊपर ऐसा one triangle. So it looks like a चाकू घुस रहा है. It's Halloween. Anyone can do anything. I'm doing anything and I'm trying my level best. I'm gonna do it right here only either, and then I'll color it inside. I've colored this also because it was my this was literally here and I was doing it because it was difficult. Of course, I'm doing it for the first time, so bear with me. I'm looking very relaxed. So, yes, guys, this is what my Halloween look is. This is not yet over. This is nothing. You know how those skeletons have those white lines? So, I'm going to draw white lines over here. Look, it's already looking so spooky. I'm in love. Yet my contour is left and my blush is left. I don't know, this has almost taken me 2 hours. So guys, I'm going to use a baby pinkish thing, to just give those lines. Because my white liner I don't have, so I'm using this. And my white paint is also over. I had silver was also over because lockdown. So I'm going to dip paint on my lips. Line, okay? blush. Of course, I'm going to do it with here only. Not going anywhere else to do. I have to wash my makeup brush. I have to wash all because all are become like that. So I am using my contour which I cannot find. I'm using what I use Imagination contour. So I'm again using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Ka contour. This is very scary. Like I've seen videos in which they don't know how to use. Oh my god. They don't know how to use this, and it is so scary. It's new, I'm using this for the first time. So this side I can't contour anything. I'll still try to, but scared. Guys, because that white thing wasn't looking good. I don't know. I just gave it another thing of black because it wasn't looking good, and I tried. Wasn't suiting, and I forgot to blend my contour. So yeah, it wasn't looking good. So I just gave it one more wash of black. So this is my final look, guys. I am so brilliant at this, and my hair is just gonna be the way it is. And yeah, I'm very very proud of myself. You will see pictures of me in this look on my feed on Instagram, and I've given you my Instagram handle, and I am very proud of myself. You all should be too, and go like, share and subscribe to my channel, and go follow me on Instagram as well. I am so grateful for myself right now. Bye.